How to eliminate any fluctuations when you want to compare different time periods in your reports. How do you visualize a strategic overview and how to then compare it to the performance of the past few years? Or just simply how to show your sales for the current period that refreshes automatically. These are often questions when dealing with trend analysis in Power BI. I'm Mark from Zero BI and I'm happy to invite you to our live webinar. In a few easy-to-follow steps, you'll learn everything you need to know on time intelligence functions in Power BI and how to implement them. When you're working with time periods, it surely helps to know some DAX tricks, and that's exactly what we'll dive into during this webinar. We'll cover everything from fundamental period calculations, how to handle monthly, year-to-date, and full-year intervals, rolling periods, and more. Of course, to see how all of this works in practice too. I can assure you that by the end of this webinar, you'll master it all. Join me and Zebra BI CEO and founder André Lapaine on this free workshop. See you on April 21st.